Osmo Pocket 3 Gimbal Modes. Osmo Pocket 3 offers 3 gimbal modes. Follow is suitable for most shooting scenarios such as vlogs and selfies.
Hello everyone, welcome to beautiful Circle.
Tilt Locked is applicable to creative shooting involved in push-pull and lateral movement. For example, dance and sports tracking. In this mode, the camera maintains absolute horizontal. FPV is suitable for street dance or creative shooting, allowing the camera to rotate freely and follow the handle movement. In addition to these stabilization options, there are also 3 selectable levels for you to configure your gimbal rotational speed. Different rotational speeds will affect your gimbal's following range and speed.
Slow moves slowly to take smoother videos,
with the slowest following speed. Default is set to default, with smooth movements and exceptional stabilization effects. The responsiveness is moderate, providing a balanced following speed.
Fast offers a maximized following speed to shoot fast-moving subjects.
Although the image stabilization effects might be compromised, it most closely captures the real shooting scenario while following rapid hand rotations.